I would like to applaud the Mukurweini TTI board and the management for the tremendous work they have been doing on the national map and ensuring rigorous involvement of all stakeholders in the activities of this great institution. Graduates, ladies and gentlemen, the current reforms in the education and training sector began when the Kenya Kwanza government came to power in 2022. This culminated in the appointment of the Presidential Working Party on Education Reforms, which is responsible for streamlining the implementation of the competency-based curriculum CBC and the introduction of a new financing model for public universities and TVETs. I do note with a lot of delight that Kenya Kwanza government has placed great emphasis on the link between competence-based skilling for improved employability, labor mobility, self-esteem, lifelong learning, and decent livelihood. In this regard, the government is in the process of employing 1,300 trainers in the current financial year and another 1,700 in the next financial year. As you may recall, in the Kenya Kwanza Manifesto, the government committed to construct technical and vocational colleges in the remaining 52 constituencies. To this end, I am glad to note that the government has made available a budget of 1.05 billion in the 2023/2024 financial year to construct the first 15 TTIs. Further, I am glad to note that Nyeri County already has TVET institutions in all the 6 constituencies and 28 vocational training centers, or the village polytechnics as originally known, under the management of the county government. This is an enormous resource for the youth of this country. As you are aware, we have initiated a robust program for fighting alcohol and drug abuse among the youth,